to work on the length, we're just going to add 1 stitch into every single stitch all the way around. You don't have to keep track of the rows anymore unless you really want to. I'm only using the stitch marker in case I have to frog it, and I just want to frog whatever row I'm on, or I don't know. I don't even know why I'm still using the stitch marker. You could technically ditch it, honestly, but that's it. You just put 1 stitch into every single stitch all the way around until you reach the bottom of that template. I promise it's going to start to curl up and form a tube after about 3 to 4 rows at most. And this is perfect if you want to make something while watching TV. If you want to binge watch something, which is why I love it so much, because you don't have to do anything else. Yeah. Now to weave in, if you want to weave in your end, or to finish it off because you did work in a spiral, we're just going to level off by putting smaller stitches. So I'm putting 2 single crochet in there, and then I'm going to put 2 slip stitches in there, and then I'll just cut it and weave in the tail into the back of the stitches, and that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm about to go through all my comments and respond to the questions I've received since my little hiatus. But I do respond to questions as long as they pop up in my notifications. Sometimes they don't. And if they don't, I'm sorry. I do go through all the videos and check to see if I missed any questions. So if I ever not respond to you, it is not because I'm ignoring you. And yes, this is my people pleasing still trying to come out, although I've worked on it in the past. But I don't know what else to say. I like to help people crochet. That's my goal right now, is to help more people crochet. And if this helped you, I love, I don't know, feedback, if that makes sense. Makes me feel less alone. But I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!